Hello guys, welcome to another video. So in this video we are just going to compile and test our application. I've already done the compilation, but what I'll do is to show you the settings that I did before starting the compilation. So first thing I did was to clone Python for Android. I downloaded it into my project because I don't want Bulldozer to automatically clone it. I want to have full control on what I change. I can make any changes inside of here and it will take effect. We'll still get to see how to do that in the future, not in this video. So it's here and I excluded it from the project indexing on PyCharm. If you don't want to do that, it's still fine, however way you want to do it. So I came to buildozer.spec file and on line 330, P4A source die, that is P4A source directory, I reference Python for Android, which is this folder because it is on the same folder with my buildozer.spec file. So if it is somewhere else, you can reference the full path. So next thing I did was to enable logcat. So it was commented before. So yeah, I have to uncomment it to be able to use the logcat. Next thing, I don't think I did much apart from renaming this. Yeah, that's all. Every other thing is still the same. Once we need any changes, I would alert you guys and would make the changes in the future. All right. So once I hit this Builders Android debug deploy run, it will start compilation. I don't want to do that anymore. I just simply want to, let me open up a new terminal here. I want to run screen copy. Yeah, that should pop up my phone. All right, awesome. So what I'll do now is to Buildozer Android deploy run logcat, not debug, so that you just deploy the app straight to my phone and start it. All right, so it's going to start in minutes and seconds precisely. Maybe a minute. Okay, it's already starting on my phone, and yeah, so this is the app. It takes about 3 to 5 seconds to start. Yeah. So no matter how complex my apps becomes in the future, this is the exact time it's going to take to start. So yeah, basically that's it. If you follow the structure I laid out in my previous video, you are going to get an application that runs that starts between 3 to 5 seconds. My CPU is actually 1.85 gigahertz on this phone. If you have a phone of 2.0 gigahertz, 2.5 gigahertz, 3.0, oh my god, you might just experience just 1 second or even less than a second. Yeah, so depending on your CPU, exactly. So basically, that is it. In my next video, we are going to see how we are going to um, make designs. We'll focus on designs, right? And then we'll create simple UIs, just simple UIs. We'll try to replicate what's on Dribble, Pinterest, and other nice looking apps. We'll try to remake them in Kiwi. Yeah, we'll see how to do that. Thank you. See you on my next video.